Custom windows. Washington, D.C. offers a wide range of options for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Our window replacement services in Washington, D.C. are designed to provide top-notch solutions, including energy-efficient windows and vinyl window solutions tailored to your needs. For those interested in double-hung windows in Washington, D.C., our team specializes in bay window installation and casement windows, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. We also offer comprehensive window replacement services in Washington, D.C., addressing issues with custom window designs and providing both residential window services and commercial window solutions. Window frame replacement in Washington, D.C. is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our window glass replacement services in Washington, D.C. ensure that your windows remain clear and functional. We also provide sliding window installation and awning windows in Washington, D.C., catering to various architectural styles. Picture windows in Washington, D.C. are a popular choice for those seeking unobstructed views and natural light. Our custom Windows Washington services allow you to create unique designs that reflect your personal style. We also offer window maintenance services in Washington, D.C. to keep your windows in top condition. Window insulation solutions in Washington, D.C. are essential for improving energy efficiency and reducing utility costs. Our window tinting services in Washington, D.C. provide additional privacy and UV protection. We also offer window hardware replacement in Washington, D.C. to ensure smooth operation and longevity. Storm window installation in Washington, D.C. is a vital service for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Our window screen replacement services in Washington, D.C. ensure that your screens remain intact and functional. We also provide window cleaning services in Washington, D.C. to maintain the clarity and appearance of your windows. For those seeking expert advice, our window consultation services in Washington, D.C. offer personalized recommendations and solutions. Whether you're interested in custom windows Washington, D.C. or need assistance with window installation in Washington, D.C., our team is here to help. Energy-efficient windows in D.C. are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to enhance their property's value and comfort. Window maintenance Washington, D.C. is crucial for longevity and performance. Our window maintenance services include window cleaning Washington, D.C. and window screen replacement D.C. We also offer window hardware replacement and window tinting Washington, D.C. to enhance functionality and aesthetics. Trust our storm windows Washington, D.C. for added protection against harsh weather. For those seeking unique solutions, our custom window designs D.C. and window customization D.C. services are ideal. We offer a range of options, including awning windows D.C. and window replacement Washington, D.C. Our vinyl window solutions and window replacement services ensure your windows are both beautiful and durable. Contact us for all your window needs in Washington, D.C.